All right, George, I can take us into our next story. And this one comes from Mother Jones. Inside the movement to ban lab grown meat, nonprofits like the Good Food Institute are stepping into the fray, advocating against bans on cell cultured meats and pushing for progress in alternative proteins, arguing that stifling this nascent industry could hinder innovation and fails to advance health or safety. So, lab grown meat, you ask, what are the benefits? These organizations emphasize the environmental benefits, considering the significant methane emissions from livestock. We talked about methane last with the first ever nonprofit backed satellite. But organizations advocating for this alternative seek to safeguard the freedom of consumers and businesses in the food system. And their involvement underscores the critical role that nonprofits play in shaping food policy. I think 40 something million Americans live in states that actually ban this alternative form of meat and potential avenue for decreasing the negative environmental effects of American meat production. So interesting story and narrative to follow and to see nonprofits involved in safeguarding our food infrastructure.
Yeah, I think it's important to note here that Florida's interest in this ban is not maybe random, and in fact, I'm pretty sure that according to the stats, that there are 1.6 million heads of cattle, according to 2023's Florida Agriculture Overview stats, and over 15,000 beef producers in the state, known for a tremendous amount of meat production. And so it's very clear where the money and interest in trying to squash a nascent technology meets the financial interests of these producers, plus conveniently fits into a political narrative of anti-progressive, environmental narrative. The upside of lab grown meat can't be underemphasized in terms of replacing a massive greenhouse producer gas, not to mention animal cruelty for those animals that are kept in these conditions. So I'd say it's unfortunate, and hopefully other states can pick up where Florida has let down innovation, which, by the way, jobs, productivity, and benefit more than just like some sort of weird progressive agenda that it seems is going on here.
I think that's a fair analysis, George. Anything to decrease those cows, the cows and their methane.